Welcome back to the Billionaire Lux Room. Today, we're exploring the world of luxury air travel with insider tips on how to fly first class and beyond. From booking the best seats and maximizing your comfort to enjoy exclusive airport lounges and in-flight amenities, we'll show you how to elevate your travel experience to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or dreaming of your first-class flight, stay tuned for our top luxury travel tips. And before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated on all things luxurious. Flying first class isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey. Imagine reclining in a spacious seat, sipping on vintage champagne and enjoying a gourmet meal, all while cruising at 35,000 feet. Luxury air travel offers a world of comfort and exclusivity that transforms your flight into a truly memorable experience. Let's dive into how you can make the most of your first-class journey and beyond, ensuring every moment of your trip is as lavish as possible. The first step to experiencing luxury air travel is booking the right seat. To secure the best deals on first-class tickets, start by booking early. Airlines often release their best fares months in advance, and these can sell out quickly. Utilize airline loyalty programs and travel credit cards to earn points that can be redeemed for first-class upgrades or even free flights. These points can be a game changer, allowing you to upgrade from business class to first class for a fraction of the cost. Another great tip is to be flexible with your travel dates and times. Midweek flights or less popular routes often have better availability for first-class seats at lower prices. Additionally, consider using a luxury travel agent who specializes in premium bookings. They have access to exclusive deals, including unpublished fares and special packages, and can provide personalized recommendations to ensure you get the best experience possible. If you're looking for an experience that goes beyond first class, consider booking a suite on airlines that offer them, like the Emirates First Class Suite or Singapore Airlines Suites Class. These suites provide a private cabin space with sliding doors, a fully flat bed, and even a personal minibar, elevating your in-flight experience to new heights. Some suites, like those on Etihad Airways, the Residence, offer a 3-room apartment in the sky, complete with a living room, bedroom, and private shower, giving you the ultimate in privacy and comfort. Arriving at the airport early is key to maximizing your luxury travel experience. Many airlines offer dedicated first-class check-in counters and fast-track security lanes, allowing you to breeze through the airport with minimal hassle. Once you're through security, it's time to enjoy the perks of first-class lounges. First-class lounges are an oasis of calm and luxury amidst the hustle and bustle of the airport. These exclusive spaces offer comfortable seating, high-speed Wi-Fi, gourmet dining options, and premium beverages, including vintage wines and top-shelf spirits. Some lounges, like the Qatar Airways Al Safwa First Lounge in Doha, even feature private rooms, spas, and fine art galleries, turning your layover into a luxurious experience. Don't miss out on the unique amenities offered by some of the world's best lounges. The Lufthansa first-class terminal in Frankfurt, for example, offers a personal assistant to guide you through the airport, a cigar lounge, and a chauffeur service to take you directly to your aircraft in a luxury car. For those seeking a bit of relaxation before a long flight, many lounges also offer shower facilities and spa services, allowing you to refresh and unwind in style. To make the most of your lounge experience, plan your arrival at the airport with enough time to fully indulge these amenities. Whether you're enjoying a gourmet meal, relaxing with a massage, or catching up on work in a quiet corner, the lounge is your haven before the flight. Once on board, your luxury experience truly begins. Most first-class cabins feature spacious seats that recline into fully flat beds, providing ultimate comfort for long-haul flights. Airlines like Singapore Airlines and Etihad Airways go a step further with private suites that offer a personal space, complete with a bed, desk, and sometimes even a shower. Make sure to take full advantage of the in-flight dining experience. Many first-class cabins offer a la carte menus designed by renowned chefs, featuring gourmet dishes prepared with the finest ingredients. Pair your meal with a selection of premium wines, champagnes, and spirits curated by top sommeliers. Don't hesitate to ask the flight attendants for their recommendations. They're often trained to enhance your culinary experience. In-flight entertainment systems in first class are also top-notch, offering a wide selection of movies, TV shows, music, and games on large, high-definition screens. Some airlines, like Emirates, even offer in-flight Wi-Fi and live TV, so you can stay connected or catch up on the latest news while you fly. Make sure to explore the full range of entertainment options, and if you're on a long flight, plan a movie marathon or enjoy a playlist curated by the airline's own music experts. To enhance your comfort further, take advantage of the luxury amenity kits provided to first-class passengers. These kits often include high-end skincare products, sleep masks, noise-cancelling headphones, and cozy pajamas to ensure you arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and relaxed. Some airlines, such as Cathay Pacific and Japan Airlines, collaborate with luxury brands to offer exclusive products that you can take home as a memento of your flight. The luxury experience doesn't end when you land. Many airlines offer exclusive arrival services for first-class passengers, including expedited immigration processing and private lounges for freshening up after a long flight. Some airlines like Emirates and Qatar Airways provide complimentary chauffeur services, transporting you from the airport to your hotel or home in a luxury vehicle. This seamless transition from air to ground travel ensures that the luxury continues even after your flight. For the ultimate convenience, consider booking a private jet transfer for your onward journey. Companies like NetJets and VistaJet offer seamless transfers from commercial flights to private jets, ensuring that your entire travel experience is luxurious and stress-free. This option is ideal for travelers who value privacy and need to get to destinations that commercial airlines don't serve directly. If you're staying in a major city, check if your hotel offers a meet-and-greet service at the airport. This service typically includes a personal concierge who will handle your luggage, guide you through customs, and arrange transportation to the hotel, allowing you to relax and enjoy the journey. Some hotels even offer special welcome amenities such as a refreshing drink or a quick massage to help you unwind immediately upon arrival. As luxury travel continues to evolve, staying ahead of the curve means knowing about the latest trends and technologies. Many airlines and airports are investing in biometric boarding processes, which use facial recognition to expedite boarding, making your journey smoother and more efficient. This technology not only speeds up the boarding process, but also adds an extra layer of security and personalization to your travel experience. In addition to air travel, consider exploring luxury cruise lines and private yacht charters for a different kind of luxury travel experience. Companies like the Ritz-Carlton Yacht Collection and Seabourn offer all-inclusive luxury cruises that provide the same level of comfort and exclusivity as first-class flights, but with the added benefit of exploring multiple destinations in one trip. These cruises often include unique shore excursions, private beach access, and gourmet dining experiences that rival the best restaurants in the world. Lastly, keep an eye out for emerging destinations and unique travel experiences. From private safaris in Africa to secluded villas in the Maldives, luxury travel is all about discovering the world in the most comfortable and exclusive way possible. Look for travel packages that offer exclusive access to cultural events, private tours, and personalized experiences that cater to your interests. There you have it, our top tips for flying first class and beyond. Whether you're planning your next adventure or dreaming of a luxury escape, these tips will help you make the most of your travel experience. Have you ever flown first class, or are you planning to? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Billionaire Lux Room for more insights into the world of luxury. Click on the latest video now to continue your journey into the ultimate in luxury travel.